Hi guys, my name is Muhammad and today I'm going to show you how to cook a fried Maggie. Okay, first boil a water in a pan and slowly put the Maggie so the hot water will not splash to your face. After that, we wait until the noodle is spongy and stingy like this. Don't wait too long because the noodle will get too soggy and we really don't want this to happen. Now we are going to make the paste for the noodle. First, we fry 2 pieces of onion and 2 slices of garlic together. Stir them up until their color turn into golden brown. After the onions and garlics turn into golden brown, slowly put the chicken's meat and stir them up together with the onions and garlics. After the meat is turning into brownish color, we put a mixture of soy sauce and chili sauce. Next, we put 100 ml of water to make the noodle more creamier than usual. Don't forget to put the Maggi powder that was given in the package. Put half of it only because if we put all of it, the noodle will become salty. Now, after a few moments, put the boiled noodles and vegetables together. Stir it up properly so the noodle will mix with the paste fairly. Next, put soy sauce a little bit to make the noodle more brownish.
Bismillah. Tasty and delicious.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and easy to prepare dish bihun goreng. Okay, bihun goreng is a popular street food in many Southeast Asian countries and is baked with flavor and simple to make at home. Okay, let's get started. 1 small onion, 5 cloves of garlic, chopped chives, fish cat, fish ball, and vegetables. Okay, firstly, heat the oil in a wok. Add the chopped garlic and onion 1 to 2 minutes until they become fragrant and slightly translucent. The blend of ikan bilis is a secret ingredient that can be used to enhance the flavors of dishes. Next, add the ground chili and stir fry. Next, add mix together diced chicken, fish cake, fish ball, and prawns, and then stir fry for another minute. Add the oyster flavor sauce, chili sauce, savory sweet soy sauce, and tomato sauce. Stir fry everything together for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add a little chicken stock and add a bit more water. Lastly, we add the chive and cabbage. Then we add the salt and dried rice vermicelli to the wok. Stir fry everything together. Okay, bihun goreng is done.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm gonna to show you how to prepare Penang Char Kuew Tiao. Let's do it.
This is the ingredient for Penang Char Kuew Tiao. Firstly, heat the pan and add some of cooking oil. Then you stir fry the garlic until the garlic is brownish. Then you add some of chilies to give it a spicy taste. And you continue to stir fry. After the chilies is cooked, you put some of shrimp into the pan. Next step is you put some of kueh tiao in the pan and you mix together well. For the gravy, don't forget to put some of Char Kuew Tiao sauce into the pan and you mix together. Then, add an egg for more thick sauce and a tasty taste. And the last step, don't forget to put some of a bean sprouts and some of kucai leaf into the pan and you continue stir fry.
Pening's Char Kuew Tiao is done. Let's try.
Yummy, so delicious. Don't forget to try. Bye.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nufara Azira binti M. Razid. Here I want to show you how to make spaghetti carbonara. It is very delicious for children and adults. Let's go. This is an ingredient for spaghetti carbonara. Firstly, boil the spaghetti with some salt, drain and let it cool. Add butter, saute garlic until you can smell the fragrance of it. Add butter mushroom, minced chicken, then leave it for a while. Then add Prego carbonara sauce and full cream milk. Well, on the simmering process, season it with a little salt and powder, then taste it. Yummy and delicious.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow.